Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a moving sticker using only the animation feature in Capcut. So here I've already opened my edits and I want to add stickers, a moving sticker. So first I'm going to go to the sticker option and then select a sticker from Capcut. Okay, I'm going to add the sticker, the subscribe stickers. Then just click on a check icon, and to make it move you can just click on a sticker and then go to animations, and here choose the animations that you want. There are lots of options that you can choose. I'm going to just go to the loop category, then I'm going to use this wiper animation, and after that just click on a check icon and you'll have that moving stickers in your video. Okay, so that's all from me. If you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.